Vestil Manufacturing's facility maintenance products can add the finishing touches to your work area. Our industrial cart increases efficiency for when you need to carry several awkward-shaped boxes or products across your facility. Vestil's mirrors provide added safety and peace of mind. They are best used at fork truck intersections. Our speed bumps can be cured to a number of different surfaces and allows you to slow down traffic in a critical area. Vestil Manufacturing's spray paint rig allows you to ergonomically spray lines on the ground. Our warning siren is easy to use and folds away to a convenient size. Please visit Vestil.com to download our catalog or browse through our other facility maintenance products. We're Vestil Manufacturing. We've got it.